Everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now and have a good day. In this video I'm show you the live price prediction of SafeMoon coin and the biggest update which occurs in the SafeMoon coin. So before starting this interesting video, friends, if you are new on my channel, so kindly click the subscribe button right now and also press the bell icon for a new video notification. If you are a holder of SafeMoon coin, so this is must for you to subscribe Abby's Tech channel, friends. As you can see now on the screen, John Kearney, the CEO of the SafeMoon coin, is the Twitter tweeted about SafeMoon coin. As you can see here now, at the 1 million holders of the SafeMoon are completed. As you can see here, the same goal, 1 million holders completed only, and 50 days 1 million, friends, holders completed 50 days. It's a very top growing cryptocurrencies in the cryptocurrency market. 1 million only on only the 50 days, friends. If we look the Twitter of the John Kearney, looks like we are going to need a bigger rocket. Absolutely everyone says about SafeMoon coin practice currencies that they are soon going moon and they will make you millionaire in this April month. So what's your opinion about SafeMoon? Please also share in the comment box. Now let's see the price prediction of the SafeMoon coin. What's the change goes at this time in the SafeMoon coin, and what is the price of SafeMoon coin in the cryptocurrency markets? Let's see. As you can see here, friends, that is a live price prediction, the live price change of SafeMoon, very fastly moving upward. As you can see here, if we talk about the price of SafeMoon, is about 0.000006 is the SafeMoon price at this time. It's a very low price. Everybody can buy this and make a good amount of profit in this month, friends. If we look the change occurring in SafeMoon coin, so absolutely at this time now the current situation of the SafeMoon are not a good situation. But if we look the previous last 1 week change, so the previous last 1 week change, highly amount of people buy a SafeMoon coin. This is why the change is in 740.29% change occur only in the last 1 week. And if we look the price change occur in SafeMoon, that is a temporary fast of the SafeMoon. That is why they fast down. That is a temporary change. Don't be afraid, don't be worried about this fast. That is a temporary fast. As you can see here, 1 million holders of the SafeMoon are completed only in the 50 days. That is clear that the SafeMoon goes to moon very safely, friends. So what's your opinion about SafeMoon? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more news and updates.